Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is Sunday. I haven't vlogged in a while, so I thought I would pick up the camera and see where the day takes us. It's already about almost 7 o'clock. We went to church this morning and then we took a Sunday nap. And now we are heading to Trader Joe's. So I don't know if you saw in my other video, I said I was doing like a 30-day cleanse with my sister. No dairy, no carbs, no like sweets, junk food, any processed foods. So like really clean eating and just drinking water. So it's been a little bit tough, but done 10 days so far. I have 20 more days to go. So I am going to head to Trader Joe's and see if there's any foods I can pick up that I can eat and still enjoy. So I'm just waiting on my husband. He's putting his sneakers on actually, and we'll be heading to Trader Joe's. Hopefully we can find something good there. I'll show you what we end up getting. And there's the lovely husband. Hi.
Hi.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Just got home from Trader Joe's, so I'll quickly show you what I got, and then I am going back to the park. I dropped my husband off there. So I got 2 watermelon, 2 bananas. I know that's random, but I have some other ones at home, but they're not as ripe. I need some ripe ones for a recipe I'm doing. I got this 21 seasoning. You've probably seen me use it before. I use it like on everything and in everything. It's really nice. So I got 2 of those because it goes quick. Got some almond butter, some salmon, veggie burgers. Never tried these. Thought I would try these out. Some pears. These organic acai packets. There's a new place that opened up next to us, and they have amazing acai bowls. So I wanted to try making them at home because they're a little bit expensive. So if I can do them at home, it'll be a lot better. Some cauliflower, a bag of like spinach and lettuce, and then some roses. That is pretty much it. I'm going to put everything away and head to the park. So today is Monday. I didn't end the vlog yesterday. We just went to the park, came home, cleaned up the house a little bit, and went to sleep. Right now, I am kind of cleaning up and changing the bed sheets. I have some laundry going. Cleaned up the house a little bit, but I have a few more things I need to get done. Right now, I'm going to put some bed sheets on the bed. My husband washed the floors yesterday, I think it was, or the day before. I think Saturday night, actually. So those are still good. I dusted the other day as well, so I just need to do the bed sheets and switch the laundry, clean up in the kitchen a little bit, maybe prep some dinner so I could just throw that all together when my husband's coming home. And yeah, so she's already made herself comfy. The room is pretty much clean. I have this blanket right now. I washed my quilt that I had in here, the white one, and I used this blanket just for like one night. And I really liked it just because in the summertime, it does get hot. I mean, we do have the AC running, but at nighttime, I like to sleep when it's cool. And this blanket isn't too heavy, so we've just kept it on here for now. It's not too bad. It doesn't look as pretty as the quilt, but it works. The bathroom is still okay. I cleaned it Saturday night. Still looks pretty good. I just took the towels to wash. This is what the kitchen looks like. I washed the dishes last night. I think I have a few in the sink. I have a few like washcloths soaking in here before I throw them in the wash. And I just have to put some things away. I want to make these like protein banana muffins, maybe a little bit later. So that's why I have like a bunch of bananas sitting out there. So I think right now I'm just going to start by putting all of the clean dishes away and wash whatever I have in the sink. about to make those banana protein muffins. So you just need some protein. I have the chocolate kind. It's the Burt's Bees. It calls for peanut butter, but on this cleanse I can't have peanut butter, so I'm just going to use almond butter, some oats, banana, an egg, and chia seeds. Oh, and baking powder. I'm just going to take that out. I'm going to mix that, put it in the oven, and I'll let you know how they come out. Some of the muffins are done. The second batch is in the oven. They look a little funny because the pan I had, they're actually hearts underneath. I don't know if you can see. So this is actually supposed to be the bottom. I'll flip them all over and they'll look like hearts. They taste all right. They're just, they taste healthy, I should say. They're not really that sweet. Would taste a lot better with chocolate chips, but I can't have those right now. So they're all right. I feel like it's a good snack and it has protein in there. It's all healthy stuff. So again, for what I can eat, they came out all right. I'm waiting for the second batch to finish baking, and then I'll move on to making my husband his favorite cookies. He's been asking for a while now. So I'm finally making those. And then once those are done, I think I'll start prepping dinner. I finished baking all the cookies. They're in here. The protein bites are in here. Cleaned up a little bit. I just have a little bit of dishes left to wash. My husband just came home. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm not sure what we're going to do for the rest of the evening. But thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.